Those good old 18-volt Dewalt XRP batteries that no longer charge. If you remember these first battery-powered tools that Dewalt put out there years ago, they had these funny-looking batteries that revolutionized all the trades out there. And then they switched over to new tech, and we all remember the rest of the story. What did we do with those old power tools? I dug mine out of the shed when I accidentally ran across this gadget online that I've been curious about for a long time. It was since Dewalt switched over from 18-volt XRP to 20-volt ion, when my 2-year-old Christmas gift from my son became old tech. Not worth buying new batteries for them. Dewalt did come out making this adapter, but the cost was not reasonable at all. Well, now, these aftermarket adapters are out there that cost breakfast at McDonald's. You can see the link in the description to see the cost and more info on this thing, and see if it's worth your while. So I decided to get one and see if I can use these old tools collecting dust in my shed. It's recommended to install the battery on the adapter first, and then insert the adapter on the tool itself. Just like the old 18-volt batteries, the clip on both sides need to be depressed at the same time and push until you hear it click. Make sure it's clipped well and you're back in business. Cool. It's been a long time, old friend. I can use this 5 amp hour battery for tools that draw a lot more than the drill. Or this 12 amp hour beast here that I use for the Dewalt weed eater. This sucker goes a long way. This will work well with the 18-volt circular saw. A little on the heavy side, but nothing anyone can't handle, and it can kick some butt. The biggest thing is I can use the new 20-volt ion batteries with these old 18-volt tools. I'll also have the convenience of a second drill and use it on some real quick home projects. Like by having this second drill, let's say I'm screwing something that needs pre-drilling, I won't have to keep swapping bits back and forth on the one drill. I'll be able to use the second drill for the pre-drilling and the other for screwing. Now, a warning for those who don't read instructions like me. Do not try to charge the 20-volt batteries using the adapter into the old 18-volt charger. You will damage the battery. This is only to be used as a battery adapter. Do not get tempted because you'll regret it when those 20-volt batteries are gone. And last thing, make sure to read the instructions included by the manufacturer. If you or someone you know had any kind of experience with one of these, please let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.